It's Saturday morning, and welcome to another episode of Cooking at Cafe du Chicken Ranch. We are making beignets, special beignets, the phallic-shaped beignets. I'm your host, Connor, and here's Executive Chef Randy making the dongs. Well, guys, it's raining, but it's not going to rain on our parade. We got guys handing out pudding shots while we bide our time.
Refuse to let it rain on our parade.
Exactly. We're going to have fun. Well, since I'm not going to let it rain on our parade, might as well tell y'all a few facts about Labor Day. And what better place to do it than on David and Eddie's deck while they're not here. So the first U.S. Labor Day was held on September 5th, 1882 in New York City, planned by the Central Labor Union. The parade of about 10,000 workers took unpaid leave and marched from City Hall past Union Square up to 42nd Street and ended in Wendell Elms Park at 92nd Street and 9th Avenue for concert speeches and picnic. And did you know that Oregon was the first to declare Labor Day an official holiday in 1887? This is one that I personally don't care about, but y'all might. That Labor Day is officially the first day of NFL season according to this website. Say what's up, Charles. Marcus and Charles. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Y'all having fun?
Yes, a
Great
blast.
time. Great time.
Yeah, have y'all eaten yet?
No,
yet.
we heard it's very good.
There's a lot of people here.
Yes.
Alright guys, get up there! Okay, before we start this presentation, I just want to say that it's been a long time coming since we made this decision. We've done a lot of research. We've consulted a lot of people, and through past experience, this is the route that we wanted to go. So we finally made the decision to save the 15% and switch to Geico. Okay, no, but seriously, if you want to try to crowd in here and watch this presentation, this is going to be the big announcement that we've been advertising. I think we can all say that we're going to be really excited for this next project, and I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. So get in here and let's watch. Well, guys, it's come to an end. Monday morning is here, Labor Day weekend. It's been fun, it's been great, but everything that's good apparently has to come to an end. So, stay tuned for Oktoberfest, September 20th to the 22nd. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You should be there. See ya. Okay, guys, the time has come. We have to witness Emerson stuffing a down his mouth with all of these witnesses. No. All of these witnesses.
Nobody.
I'm already recording, so you have to do it now.
I have to lubricate though.
Oh my god.
Are you already sitting there wishing you had done it?
Delish.
What do you guys think? A 9 out of 10? 10 out of 10?
Yay! 10!
Yay!
2 thumbs up.
Well, I think I have.
Really? Ready?
He's the only person I think had the pudding shot in one.
Gone. Just eat it out.
It's gone.
But yes, that is. You don't even. We don't have the cold one. Okay, but that's good. That's good.